Which paddle racket is actually good? It's a simple question, but you need to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 amazing options under $100 that can help elevate your game without breaking the bank. Product number 1, GARYE Pickleball Paddles Set of 4. First up is the GARYE Pickleball Paddles set, priced at just $59.98. What immediately caught my eye was the fact that you get 4 paddles, 6 balls, and a carrying bag. If you're looking for a fantastic deal to get your friends involved in the game, this is worth a serious look. These paddles are USAPA approved, which means you can confidently use them in tournaments. Made from lightweight carbon fiber, they offer a fantastic balance of power and control, weighing just around 7.7 to 8.1 ounces. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get a comfortable, ergonomic design with a ridged grip that helps absorb sweat and prevent slipping during those intense rallies. Plus, the large sweet spot means you're more likely to hit the ball cleanly, even on those off-center strikes. Now, some people have complained about the paddles feeling too lightweight, especially if you're used to heavier options. Here's the thing though, that lightness actually helps with speed and maneuverability, making it perfect for beginners who might struggle with heavier rackets. This is perfect for you if you are a beginner looking to play casually with friends. Skip this one if you want something more robust and heavy for competitive play. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those serious about their game. Product number 2, Head EVO Padel Racket Paddle Series. Next up, we have the Head EVO Paddle Racket, priced at $99.95. The first thing that stands out is its sleek design and the solid reputation of the Head brand. If you want a racket that balances control and power, this one's worth checking out. With a teardrop shape and a weight of just 365 grams, this racket is designed for optimal performance. The 511 cm2 head size gives you a larger hitting area, which is fantastic for making consistent contact with the ball. The balance point at 275 also ensures that you have excellent maneuverability, so you can react quickly during matches. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're playing defensively or looking for that killer shot, this racket adapts to your style effortlessly. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that the grip could feel a bit small for larger hands. But here's the thing. It can be easily adjusted with an overgrip if needed, so it's not a deal breaker for most players. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate player looking to improve your game. Skip this one if you have larger hands and need a more substantial grip right out of the box. Now, if the Head EVO's grip size concerns you, the next one is designed to be more accommodating. Product number 3, GRANDCOW Paddle Racket. Coming in at $56.99 is the GRANDCOW Paddle Racket, which has a lightweight design that's perfect for female players or anyone seeking comfort. Right off the bat, the teardrop shape caught my attention. If you want a racket that combines power and control, this is worth a serious look. The soft EVA core offers great shock absorption, so it's easier on your arms, especially if you're just starting out. Plus, the fiberglass surface helps enlarge the sweet spot, allowing for more forgiving play on off-center hits. Here's why this matters. You won't have to worry as much about making perfect contact every time. However, a few users have pointed out that the durability might not match some higher-end paddles. But honestly, for this price point, it's a fantastic entry-level option. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or intermediate player looking to improve without spending a fortune. Skip this if you're looking for a high-end, durable racket that can withstand heavy use. Alright, that was an excellent budget-friendly option. But the next one is all about providing that extra comfort. Product number 4, WLSRW Paddle Racket. Next, we've got the WLSRW Paddle Racket, priced at $59.99. This one stands out with its carbon fiber surface, which is designed for high performance. If you're focused on improving your control and speed, you should definitely consider this paddle. The EVA memory foam core not only feels soft on impact, but also offers a stable balance, which is crucial for making accurate shots. Plus, the symmetrical hole construction reduces wind resistance, helping you hit faster and with more precision. This is especially important during competitive play when every shot counts. With a weight range of 360–370 grams, it caters to both beginners and advanced players. I did find some users mentioning that the round shape may not be ideal for those who prefer more power. But here's my perspective. That design actually helps with control, making it easier for players who prioritize skill development over raw power. This is perfect for you if you're looking to refine your game mechanics. Skip this if you're someone who needs that extra punch on every shot. Now, if control is your priority but you're still seeking comfort, the last product on our list might just be what you need. Product number 5, Babolat Contact Padel Racket. Finally, we have the Babolat Contact easy-to-play paddle racket priced at $89.95. This racket immediately caught my attention with its lightweight construction. If maneuverability and comfort are your top priorities, this one's definitely worth checking out. At only 340 grams, it's incredibly easy to handle, which is ideal for quick reactions on the court. Plus, the wide sweet spot increases tolerance, so you can focus on your game without worrying about every little hit. Here's why this matters. If you often find yourself fatigued after matches, this racket helps you maintain your energy levels. However, a few reviews mention that the lightweight might feel too flimsy for power hitters. But I'll be real with you, this racket is designed for players who value finesse and control over sheer power. This is perfect for you if you're a recreational player looking to enjoy casual matches. Skip this if you're a competitive player needing heavy-hitting capabilities. In summary, whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, these 5 paddles offer great value and performance without breaking the bank. To wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic options today. The GARYE set is excellent for beginners. The Head EVO offers a competitive edge. The GRANDCOW is great for comfort. The WLSRW emphasizes control, and the Babolat Contact prioritizes maneuverability. No matter which one you choose, you're getting a solid racket under $100. Thanks for watching and happy playing.